First step I saw people do is they take a very sharp, small, thin knife, you run it around the leg bone, separating the skin here around the leg bone. And then you want to crack and break that leg bone, and then you should, from what I saw, just be able to yank that bone out clean. That worked pretty good. Okay. Do the same over here. Crack it, separate the skin, push that down a little bit. And I kind of noticed like a twisting motion seems to help. And then no leg bones. Awesome. All right, we're gonna cut that guy out. And then you can't really do that with the wings, but you do want to at least crack them so you separate them first. So I think all the bones come out except for the wing bones. Big old cavity here. You're just gonna start peeling bone away from chicken with a very sharp knife, thin knife, and you're gonna just kind of get in there. Stay as close to the bone as you can, and also attempt not to puncture any skin. This could take a while for a novice. This is crazy. Who was the first person who decided to go through this? I'm doing like a little line, and I'm gonna try to go with my finger. Make sure that I'm separating bone from chicken. Okay, now I got the wishbone here. And I'm noticing that the finger method seems to be doing okay. And I'm literally just peeling chicken away from bone. And there's a big bone right there. Kind of getting somewhere. Keep your knife as close to the bone as possible. You're basically peeling the chicken outside in. Needless to say, a very sharp knife is required for this. Now there's not much meat on this back side. Okay, I'm getting towards where I think the thigh bone is. Okay, I found a thigh bone. Let's see if we can just twist it out. Like we did with the... This guy's got a lot more sinew and stuff kind of stuck to him. But we got it out. Now there's a knuckle in here that I got to get out. I'm sure there are many Filipinos just laughing at me as I attempt this because I just turned a leg inside out. I don't think that's what you're supposed to do. Huh? Okay, we got the leg back. We gotta get to this other thigh bone in here. Okay. Feel like I left some stuff in here. Push the leg and thigh back into position. Okay, we got the thigh bones out. That's a big part. Now I'm going with the feel method and really just trying to run my fingers along this little rib cage, which is separating the rib cage a little bit without hopefully doing too much damage. Okay, I'm gonna start peeling back. Okay, that released quite a bit by doing that. Okay. We got most of it. Now there's still some of this section here that we're gonna need. Feel like you're attached to the wing. Okay. Just feeling for like small fragments of bone that I may have missed. I did it, I think. I don't really feel any more rib cage. I think we're good. All in all, that wasn't too bad. This is the part where I thank all of my members. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for your support and rock on. know why I said rock on, but rock on. You want to see how it came out? Check the link in the description there, or one of these on the screen. It came out pretty good.